Hello friends, welcome back to Analyzing Stock Market. So today I'll be talking about XAU USD, that is gold USD pair, and we'll do the forex analysis for 8th to 12th December 2025. So let's go straight to our chart. So here I have already opened the chart currently. Let's now straight away talk about the closing first on Friday, what happened in gold USD. So here 0.24% negative closing was there and 4198.17 was the closing on Friday. So currently today I'll be talking about what is going to happen in coming week, and even I'll be marking some important support zone and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias. And also I'll be sharing my opinion on what will happen in coming week according to my analysis and previous week movement. So let's check our weekly chart first. So let's open our weekly chart over here. So here this is a weekly chart. In this weekly chart we can see a good bearish candle with a small body and a big upper and lower wick. Currently, if I talk about stochastic RSI, it is around 38-33 level, that is indicating us a positive momentum. But remember, as we always say, we should not depend only on RSI or other indicators. We should also look for other factors which moves the pair, like any news or important events, and then make a decision according to that data. So now let's mark some important support zone and resistance zone on a one-day chart. So let's open a one-day chart. So here this is a one-day chart. Currently, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do consider subscribing to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos that I upload on my channel. Currently, we can see a good important support zone and resistance zones are already marked, but we can see a new data which gives us a better outlook for the coming week. So let's mark that data as well. You can also mark the same data on your chart as well. So now we have already marked some data, and now let's talk about the closing first. So here 4198.17 was the closing. Here the direct support is 4177.6, direct resistance is 4208.3. After direct support there is a support of 4157 and then 4143. After direct resistance there is a resistance of 4231 and then 4250. So these are two important support zone and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias for this week. Also, if you're from India and thinking that how can I trade forex market from India, then I've already shared two prop firm links in the description. You can open your account from there and get funded. If you don't know what is funded account or prop firm, I've already made a dedicated video on what is prop firm, how it works, and what are the rules you have to follow to get funding. Everything is available on my forex playlist. Do consider checking that out as well. So now let's talk about my opinion in gold USD pair for this week. So according to previous week momentum, I'm expecting a negative closing in this end, that is 4177 to 4150. So I'm expecting a negative closing in this end. If you're going for any long trade, then you can go for a long trade once 4208 gets breached and a 4-hour or one-day candle gets closed above this, and we can go for a long till 4231. Even if there is a big gap up opening above 4220, then we can go for a long till 4250, but we have to trail after 4231. Overall, my expectations are a bit negative in this range for this week. What are your expectations? Do let me in the comment section. If you did like my analysis, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.